Delicious chocolate cake with warm strawberry compote is what we are going to make today. Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making a very delicious, moist and decadent birthday cake which will be gluten-free, slightly indulgent yet healthy with a secret ingredient which will provide sweetness, body and creaminess to the cake. The flavors are chocolatey in this cake, but feel free to add orange zest, coffee espresso or raspberry jam if you wish to add more variations in the cake. Keeping the recipe simple, we take a bowl and add 1 cup of powdered oats or oats flour, 3/4 cup of almond or walnut meal which has been prepared at home, half a cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve the dry ingredients well so that everything mixes together and no lumps and bits stay. Remember to keep the measurements as mentioned in the recipe. Next, we take a cup of whole milk and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You could also use 1 tablespoon of white vinegar if you do not have apple cider vinegar. We are creating buttermilk for the chocolate cake recipe. Now for the wet ingredients, we take 2 large eggs. In case you're not using eggs, feel free to add 1/4 cup of sour cream, a very large around 250 grams of brown banana which will be very sweet. In case you're liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Then we add half a cup of melted butter and 1 cup of tightly packed brown sugar. Then we add a dash of vanilla extract. At this point, feel free to add orange zest or raspberry jam, or if you want, you could also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coffee espresso. Then we add the prepared buttermilk which we had made by mixing milk and vinegar. Mix it well and whisk well to incorporate. Then we add the dry ingredients. Next, we mix everything together till no lumps are there and it becomes soft and smooth. Then we take an 8-inch pan and line it with parchment paper and empty the batter in the pan. Bake for 60 minutes in the preheated oven at 180 degrees till the cake is golden and brown and well done. So here we have a very delicious, healthy and a chocolatey cake. Now wait for 5 minutes as the cake is warm and then demold it with a serving platter. The cake is moist and soft and can be eaten warm with a cup of coffee. But in case if you're looking for some serving ideas and do not want to add that extra cream, we make a fresh fruit sauce. Here we take 2 cups of fresh strawberries, 3 to 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1/4 cup of water or apple juice if you want, and cook till the fruit softens but still holds shape. Then we take the cake which is cooled slightly and top it with warm strawberry chunky sauce. The luscious dessert is a perfect way to enjoy desserts when you are looking for something wholesome, seriously chocolatey and decadent. Celebrate birthdays or special days with friends and family with this chocolate cake. It's a clear winner. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.